If you want, you can sip just a sip of water, not more than that. Relax for few minutes and then start with other workout. So we'll start with sitting workout. It will be for 10 to 15 minutes or as per your energy. As I have started after so long time, almost 5 to 6 months, so I'm not going to do it in a hard way, just light exercise. Okay, keep your legs like this wide open as possible as you can, and you have to just touch your right hand to left leg, left hand to right leg, cross way. If you cannot touch your hand to your feet, you can just do it up to knees. That will be fine. This will be a short way. Or if you can stretch yourself, then go for your toes. Okay, breathe out, breathe in, keep your watch on your breathing. When you come up, just take breath. When you go down, exhale. That is the main thing to be remembered. Okay, so do it for 10 to 15 times. When you go, exhale, come, inhale. Okay, relax for few minutes. Bring your legs together. Okay, then in Marathi we have a grinder, typical grinder. So you have to do like that. We grind grain in that. It was a very back old procedure, but it's now not possible to do that, but we have taken that process in our exercise. So previously they don't need to do any exercise, women don't need to exercise because they have so many things to do. Same way we are taking it an exercise like chakki. Just go back, complete round, keep this thing straight. Hold your hands tightly so that you can push yourself ahead and go back, come up. Complete round. If you cannot do this, just do it slightly. That's it. If you don't have any back problem, severe back problem, then just do it little strictly. Yes, this way, clockwise, and then clockwise or anti-clockwise. I have done this anti-clockwise now, or clockwise, whatever. Now anti-clockwise. Don't fold your hands as well. Keep straight. My TV is on, so I am doing two things together. You can also do that way. You can watch your favorite movies, favorite serials, and then besides sitting, you can do this your homework. Okay. So relax for a few minutes. Then next exercise. Okay. You can shake your hands so that if this has been tightened, so it will get loosened up. Next exercise we will do it with your hands. So just keep your hand like this and you have to move your shoulders clockwise and anti-clockwise. This is, you can say, anti-clockwise. Try to move it in a circular way. Yes. 5. Then opposite side. 5 times. Okay. Next exercise. See, we are not doing this is yoga, just a basic exercise. Have a look. Complete your class. Then how you have come out? With your legs. Okay. Right side. Complete round. And opposite side. If you can't move it fast, no issues. Move slowly. Yes, this way. Okay. Otherwise, go ahead like this. Keep your hands tight like this so that you can move your legs. Opposite side. You feel your stretch on your upper side of the feet. Yes. And even your legs up to your thighs. Not thighs. Yes. Like this. Relax. Move like this. These are very, very basic. If you have not done anything before, can start with these basic exercises as per your ability, as per your capacity. Okay. Next exercise we can do it like you, if possible, you just sit, just stand on your knees, keep your legs like this, feet plain on the floor, and sit on your feet like this. This is Vajrasana actually. This asana is the only asana which you can do it even after your lunch or after your dinner, which is very good actually for your digestion. So even after dinner you can do this before going to sleep. Vajrasana will help you for digestion because this get pressed. As this get pressed, the blood circulation from the lower body moves upward very easily. So this is very nice. If possible, you can sit. If you have a knee problem, then try to sit like, if possible. If you have a problem, then obviously you can't sit like this, but take hold of the your floor and then try to sit, or just a bit more. Start with little things. You will definitely reach a long way. So if you can sit longer, then you can sit for at least 2 minutes like this. No issues. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Normal breathing. Relax. Now just come up like this and be as possible sit in a sitting position. Okay. Now we have doing this almost 10 to 12 minutes have been completed. We'll check out another exercise of this session. Okay. Just take your one hand back. Take your hand up straight. Inhale, and by exhaling, just bend as possible as you can. This is the basic. If you can reach like this up to your leg, that will be fine. If you cannot reach, you can just try to go down and stable at the position. Okay. So this is the thing. Inhale, while exhaling, come down. Keep your legs straight. Try to bring your body up and then move forward. there in a position for few seconds. Inhale and come up like this. So similar position we have to do on next side. Same hand, same leg. Inhale, sit straight. Exhale, go down. Try to touch, if you can, try to touch your forehead to your knees, or just like this only. As down you can go as far as possible, or this is a complete position. Inhale and then come up. Relax for a few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes at least. Then just keep your leg like this. Turn and turn. Turn and turn. Turn and turn. This will help for your back. Definitely help your back. Okay. So these are the few sitting exercises, basic exercises we can say. Start with this, and I'm sure you will go long far. Let's see. Be with me if you like my exercises. I am also doing it with you. I have started my these basic exercises, so you can also start with your resolution. All the best. Bye bye.